Can I use dish soap instead of hand soap for unclogging my toilet? Short answer, yes. Dish soap often works better because it is more concentrated and slick, which helps lubricate and break up clogs. When tackling a toilet clog with soap, start by estimating whether the blockage is organic waste or paper and small objects. Use about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of dish soap poured directly into the bowl and let it sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes to allow the soap to seep into and loosen the clog. Add warm water from a bucket rather than from the tap if you can control the flow, pouring from waist height to provide gentle pressure without risking an overflow. If the bowl level rises, stop and wait. Patience improves results because the soap reduces friction and the warm water softens solids. After waiting, flush once, and if the water moves slowly, cycle manual plunging with a flange plunger for 10 to 20 firm strokes, maintaining a vacuum seal on both the plunger and the drain opening. If soap and plunging do not clear the line, use a toilet auger designed for curved toilet traps, feeding the cable until you feel resistance, then rotate and withdraw slowly while holding tension to avoid scratching the porcelain. Most people try too much water too fast and cause an overflow. So always pour warm water slowly and watch the bowl level, and keep towels handy to catch spills. Another common mistake is assuming any soap will do. Using a gel-based concentrated dish soap is usually more effective than thin, watery hand soap because the gel clings to and lubricates solids better. A third issue is skipping mechanical assistance. If you rely only on chemicals and soap, you can waste time. So, follow the soap soak with a plunger or auger to apply force at the blockage and avoid repeated flushes that can damage the toilet seal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives both sides a place to find and post work that fits their needs. We also host a discussion community where members share hands-on tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice on fixes like unclogging toilets.